Hello Border Family, I am Elvi. I'm the owner of the Border Family YouTube channel. So, you guys know I was actually updating you guys that we bought two new cars. That's right. The Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo Evo and the Toyota Supra GT4 concept that I just posted recently. Like I think so it was 2 days or yesterday. I think so. Yesterday I posted a full review of this car, like a walk around, so you guys used to like it. So we need more views and more subscribers. If you're new to the channel, subscribe like right now. Subscribe right now, like the video and share it to your friends. Ask them to watch it out. If they like it, ask them to subscribe. So obviously this is gonna be a vlog channel, a diecast car kind of channel, and mixed up channel, a cooking channel also. Maybe my mom, she helped, so she's the one who's gonna cook. So, but it also gonna be a unboxing channel. That's right. I asked you guys a few videos ago. I think so. It was a week ago. I posted a video asking Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, McLaren Senna, and Nissan GTR R35, and a Chevrolet Bumblebee Camaro. I bought one of those cars. When this car was about to arrive, I bought one of those cars. So, and one of those cars are in that box. I know what's inside that box. I did open it, but I just opened the box and I see it's everything inside. I just not unwrap the car and see. So, it's gonna be a bit of a surprise for you guys. We're gonna be unboxing this, and you guys gotta see what's inside. I already know what I bought, so you guys need to know right now. So let's go through to the first place. So I can see inside. Oh my gosh. So the first thing that I see is this small car. So I think so this is a 1/64 scale kind of car. Oh, is that a... We have a Nissan 370Z, so that's a pretty cool car. Don't worry, I'm not gonna add this cars to this car, so just put it over there. So let's go through. Let me tell you guys, I bought all four of them. Yes, I bought all four of them, and I can see them inside the box. Obviously, one of those colors I bought. I just not bought all of those colors. I bought one of those colors. So let's go through the first car. The first car that I bought was a Chevrolet Camaro Bumblebee. So this is the one. This is my blue spec. So let's check out the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. Play with this like some. I also like to play with it when I'm small. So here it is. This is my spec. So the Bumblebee Camaro. Obviously Camaros has normal doors, but this Camaro has scissor doors. Yes, it has Lambo doors. I know this is also a Lamborghini, but it has normal doors because it's a Huracan. So whatever. So this is a beautiful Camaro. So let me open all of those doors for you guys. So wait. So as you guys can see, all of the doors, the behind boot can be opened. The front, you can see the engine, the hood, the doors. So I'm pretty sure this is a 5-seater 2-door. And yeah, this is a gated manual. I don't know. It's just normal diecast, right? So as you guys can see, I think it's a V6 or a V8, and it surely has more than 500 horsepower though, right? More than 100 horsepower, obviously. Surely. This is like a sports car. It's a Chevrolet Camaro. Everybody says this is a customized one. I just not know. It might be, or it might not. So I just park this guy over there. This car just arrived a few hours ago. Not like a few hours ago. It's like an hour ago this car arrives. So the next car is the Nissan GTR R35. Like the Nissan GTR and the Camaro has like a lot of colors. Well, where the Senna and the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 has only like 4 colors. So I bought one of those colors. So the Nissan GTR R35 is here. Obviously 100% you guys can see the color here. It looks so beautiful, like so beautiful. So I really actually love this car. Before we go to this car, let me show you this car's lights. So you know this place, right? Pull that out. If you want to put it in the trunk you can, but I'm just gonna put it there. So let's just put it. You guys can see it. So the doors, if you open the doors, it also makes a sound. The other door. Oh, what? Wait, what? There it is. So here it is. This is a Nissan GTR R35. R35, yes. You guys might say this thing has a wide body kit, but it just has that normal body kit. It looks like a wide body kit. So yeah, this is also a 5-seater 2 doors. Okay, obviously this is not a, obviously this is a 5-seater 2 door. So I think I say that again, so sorry for that. And yeah, let's open the door and everything for you guys to wait for it. So you guys might be asking, why are you like pausing it when it's time to open the hood and the back? It's pretty hard to open this one, and 2 of these cars are pretty hard to open. This front top, look at that, it's fully like closed. I'm not gonna close it fully again. Look at that, it's like fully closed if I close it. So yeah, it looks so beautiful. I thought I make a wrong color choice. Wait a minute. So, but the wrong color choice turned out so good. It looks cooler than the picture. Obviously, you see a car in the picture, I suggest go see that exact same car in the real life. It looks so cool. Look at that. This car looks like if I grown up I bought a Nissan GTR R35, I'm 100% sure I would paint it like this. Oh my gosh. So yep, it also says GTR. I'm pretty sure you guys cannot see. So it says GTR on the front number plate, and the behind it says Mini Auto. So that is by far on this. So let's go to the sound. Obviously all 4 of these cars have like the exact sound, so let's go. So the doors. Okay. So that is how it sounds. I know it does sound the exact same thing. So the next car is a McLaren Senna. There's like so many colors. I can be going with the purple, I can be going with the blue, I can be going with the orange or the white. But you guys know what color I choose. Not choice, choose. I choose the orange Senna. That's right. I choose the orange Senna. This is not like that kind of bright color, so it makes a car more like bigger. It looks like, you know, if you like bought a car on like a darkened color and on a like a lighter color, if the car is exact same thing, but the lighter color car will look more bigger to your eyes. So that is why I bought this car on this color. the most lowly thing that make me fall for this car is the doors. Look at this. So this is easy. I can open in front of you guys, but those cars, I don't know why, but obviously this is like a hypercar. It should have the engine at the back. Obviously I have 3 supercars, 1 hypercar. It's so cool. The engine should be at the back, but the back has a boot and the front hood as the engine. So I think it's like a front engine McLaren Senna. It's completely fine with me. The doors, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. So the front, this is the front, this is the back. It's, oh, it says Senna. Oh, there it is. It says Senna over there. Oh my gosh, I need more clear camera. Oh my god. Every small detail. Oh my gosh, look at the seats. It looks like the real racing seats. So pretty cool car. Pretty cool car. All of the diecast cars that I own right now is my dream cars. So let's hear the sound of it. Some of them have this white one, some of them have the clear one. So let's go through. I would reckon this is the most coolest car view ever. View, okay, not review. View. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that was so loud. Okay. Now again. That was so cool. I don't know if you guys hear that on the first one, but it is pretty loud. I'm not gonna bring this video to long. We just have 1 more car left. I'm just gonna make it faster and end this video pretty fast because I only have a small database. So I don't know why, but the Mustang is like boxed up. So we're gonna go through the stickers and stuff first. Okay, it's not Halloween, but they send me pumpkin stickers. So okay, those looks pretty scary. Okay, we have a Toyota. We have a Toyota Supra, but this is a GR, and this is GT4. Obviously, that's a racetrack car, and this is a normal car. This was one of my choice before I choose 4 of these cars. So, new arrived. I would say the newest arrived was the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and a Honda Civic. Yes, they have a Honda Civic for sale. Should that be the next car? Biggest thing. So we give you a free gift. Thank you for shopping in our store. Wish you a happy family. Give us your good rating and review with photos. We will give you discount vouchers for next purchase. Please help us a good review. Thank you. Shout out to Leo Mall. Go check them out. I'm gonna be trying to link them in the description on Lazada. So go check them out. Shout out on them. All of these cars have been here flawless, so beautiful. I've been waiting for like a few days right now, and my date was 10th of July, and it's like 20 something of July, and it's worth it. The wait is worth it. It's like the cars are so beautiful. The wait is worth it, like so worth it. So let's go to the king of the car. So here we go. The last but not least car, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Okay, that was so bad. So let's just put this box down for a few minutes. So we have to go through and unbox this. So wait. Okay, I'm trying to make this fast because I already hit 14.46 seconds. 14 minutes and 50 seconds and more. Oh, yeah. I'm not throwing it down. There is a box down there. Look at that. Here it is the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. That's a GT 350 without this body kit. So that is a GT 350. This is a GT 500. More CC than that. What is CC? The spec, I think so. I forgot what means CC. So always be clean. Okay, come on. Always be clean and neat. So let's go through the king of the car. Obviously, on all of the cars, all of the cars that I own, by far, this is the most expensive one. So yeah, it's pretty worth it. It's pretty worth it. I know you guys have been see this rims somewhere, and that is boom. Yep. On my Lamborghini Sian, check out my other videos. I'm gonna be posting a video of the full review so soon, and that's gonna go for like an hour. So let's open all of the doors. On this, we have a button over there. Look at that. I'm gonna be pressing that. Like, look at this. The hood is gonna pop up. Look at that. That is so cool. It does not have scissor doors, but it looks so cool. Look at that. And it has that Mustang logo. Wow. So here's the inside. Oh, okay. So look at that inside. This is also a 5-seater 2-door. It has some pretty decent space on the boot though. Yeah, the engine looks so realistic. And let's hear the sound and wrap up this video. Those lights are so bright. That was so cool. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Let's have the beautiful view. Oh my gosh, that color palette. Look at that. The Huracan, the Supra, the Camaro, the R35, the Senna, and the Mustang. Oh my gosh, that color palette, boys. Let me put those cars close and you guys can see. Okay, still you guys cannot see the color palette, but okay, now I think so you guys can see it. But that was the coolest color palette ever. Wow, those looks so good. So we just like that, this vlog is over. The squad is dismissed. We are out. Like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, smash it. So peace.